First, we connect the Kess device to the OBD line. The other end of the OBD line is connected to GT105. The other end of GT105 is connected to GT107. And then connect USB cable to the other end of the Kess device. The other end of the USB cable is connected to the computer. Then the colored jumper of the GT107 is connected to the DQ250 ECU. And finally plug the power supply to the GT105. And press down the button on GT107. Open the Xuite software on the computer, and it starts to read the data. First select the vehicle model and ECU model, click OK to enter. First, identify the ECU information. We can see the ECU information read by the computer. Save the information to the desktop. Next, select Reading, read the ECU information, and save it to the desktop after reading.